Okay, so today I'm going to show you guys I'm doing this injector cleaning. Okay, the first thing is I go for this number 7, the leak checking test. Okay, number 7. Okay, so I just turn this one on and it has pressure but there's no leaking. Okay, all the injectors are good. Okay, so now I'm going to try this, the medium speed test. Okay, so all the injectors are connected. This one is the Fair Lady original injectors. So I just want to try and see what is happening to the spray patterns. Okay, let's go. Okay, as you can see, some of them are atomizing really nicely, but some of them are not so nice. This one is not so nice. But now I'm using the spirit cleaner, so it will also clean at the same time too. Okay, so now I'm going to do this medium test, but this time I'm going to close the valve below so that all the all the spirit will be contained here, and then after some time I'm going to stop it so that you can see, compare all the 6 injectors, all of them the flow are the same or not. Okay, so let's go. Yeah man, I'm going to fast forward this one so that you see the end result. Okay, so let's see, this one is 38, this one is about 38, 39 like that, this one is 37, 38, 37, 35 for this one. This one is 35. Okay, then this one is 30, 35 too. Okay, so all the injectors I've already marked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 from left to right. So we'll know which injector needs to do the ultrasonic cleaning. In fact, all of them need to do ultrasonic cleaning at the same time too. Let's go. Okay, so I already removed all the injectors and put all to here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so the settings I just moved to number 1 because it is the ultrasonic cleaning. Okay, this one set as 10 minutes. I'm going to run away because this one is so noisy. I'm going to start it and let you guys see. Okay, now I've done the ultrasonic testing already. So now I want to check whether got any leak or not. So it's number 7, leak checking test, this one. Okay, number 7, try first. See whether got any leak. Yes, the pressure is building up, but there is no leak. Yes, good. So we can continue and do the turn off this one, close this one, and then stop this one, and then we can redo the medium speed test, which is number 3. Okay, let's go. Oh dear, I forgot to put the pin. Okay, so all the pins are already plugged in, and then this one is it doesn't matter. This one like this also can because it is just a solenoid. Okay, let's go. Yep, definitely can see the spray pattern is better, but I'm not sure whether you can see or not, but the spray pattern is better. Okay, so it's done. Okay, the first one is about 37. Second one is about 38. Third one 37. Fourth one 37. Fifth one okay, still about 35. Sixth one also about 35. Yep. So there you go. All the injector is tested and clean and then ready to install back to the fair lady. Let's go.